guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So some of you guys asked me what is my current hair routine, that you want to see an updated video of that, and I'm going to show you that right now. Please enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is in twists. I'm going to go ahead and clip them into sections because I'm going to do a quick pre-poo. So I'm going to start with this section right here. So I do want to show you guys how much hair I lost in my detangling process. And as you know, I'm going through postpartum shedding right now. So this is all the hair that I lost for the month of March. I will of course come back and show you what I lose for April and May, and if that continues, I'll keep going like that, okay? So I'm still trying to finish up my avocado oil. I just pour it in my hand. So to save time, I'm going to go ahead and complete my whole head. Okay, and once all 4 sections are complete, you then cover your head with a shower cap. So I like to sit with a shower cap on my head for about a good hour, and then I shampoo and condition my hair. The shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to use today might surprise some of you guys because it is a sulfate shampoo. I'm not opposed to using sulfate shampoos in my hair because I feel that it gets my scalp really clean and it gets my hair really clean, and I do like that feeling. So it is called Mane and Tail, and it's their shampoo and their conditioner. So let me just explain why I'm using this. I have started using a petroleum jelly product back on my scalp because I've had such bad dandruff. It's called Sulfur 8, and I'll show you that in a later part of the video. Alright, so let's get washing. So to save time in this video, I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back from washing and conditioning my hair, so let's take a look at it. So I did get a couple of questions asking me in my Shea Moisture video, how do I keep my hair from unraveling in the twist? And I just twist my hair really tight. If you feel that your twists are still coming out, get some butterfly clips and just work in sections and clip the section out of the way once you're done. Even if it comes out, just go ahead and retwist it underneath the water and you're going to be pretty much good to go. So from here, I am going to deep condition my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and keep using the Shea Moisture product. This is the MANUKA Honey Intensive Hydration Mask. So I'm going to do a couple of twists on camera, and then I'll finish my head off camera. So just take your time as you're taking out your twist. So because I'm experiencing postpartum shedding, I get a lot of shed hair as I'm doing this. So I have to be really gentle and really careful. So I have to admit, it's pretty traumatizing to see your hair shedding and falling out like this. I'm gonna save this for my April update, and every time I wash my hair, I just save all the shed hair that I get so I can monitor if the postpartum is getting worse or if it's gonna on its way of stopping. So I'll keep you guys posted. If you didn't see my last video on the Shea Moisture product, I encourage you to go see it. And just hear my thoughts about it. I'm still testing it out, and I want to see if I can make this one of my staples. I do like how it feels on my hair, and I felt that detangling my hair was so much easier than it usually It usually is. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, and my deep conditioning is complete, so now I'm going to cover my head with a shower cap. So in the other Shea Moisture video, I did not use heat. This time I want to use heat to deep condition. I just want to see what the difference would be. I'll be right back. Okay, so my deep conditioning is complete. I just want to feel what my hair feels like. So from what I noticed from the last time when I didn't use heat, this feels even more hydrated and even more soft than the first one. So I'm really close to saying that I'm going to add this to my collection. The bottle is finished. I was able to get about, I want to say 4 applications out of it, which isn't bad. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this out, and my final step is to rinse with rice water. And I do not wash my rice water out. I will come back and I'll show you what I do with the rest of my hair. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. So to avoid any confusion, what I did first was I rinsed out all of the deep conditioner first, off my scalp and off my hair. And then I got 2 bowls and I poured the rice water over my hair and let it fall into the bowl. Let it collect into the bowl. Then I took that bowl, put the new one down, and I poured the rice water. I just kept doing that over and over with the same rice water so I didn't waste it. Just so I could make sure that my hair was completely saturated with it. So now what I'm going to do is take my coconut oil. And because I use this coconut oil for several different things, I just like to scoop it out into a bowl. Alright, so I take my coconut oil and I place it all over my hair. I then take my sulfur 8 and I just grease my parts. I've been having a lot of dandruff and this helps me out a lot. Alright, and once that step is complete, I just do a French braid. Alright, so I grab my satin scarf, I wrap my head, and I'm pretty much ready for bed. In the morning, I grab my stocking cap, I place that on my head, and I place my wig on, and I'm out the door. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you. I'll talk to all of you guys soon, and of course, when it comes to our hair type, you should always foresee beauty.